I think you're gonna crack that damn chew can, buddy.
Now shut the hell up. Here, Bonnie. Bite on this lip, Bonnie.
Yeah, bite on that.
Because it breaks in your mouth, all kinds of hot sauce going up in there.
With all the cuts.
And the cuts. Ooh, damn, that shit. Man, that shit would really burn there.
Fuck his ass up.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hey, honey, while I'm up, do you want some of your ice cream?
Oh shit. Hey, look at this, man. It's gonna look real good once it's done.
Actually.